Yes, so welcome back, our people. I really know so that I don't move go anywhere because time not day. So no time for time, you have to sit there. In case you all they join on this one, I do read the show we carry comedians so they talk serious matter in a lafu way to totori your evening. Now we don't enter the segment what we call Sorry Don't Whoa. As I move on to Brotherly.
Tori have war because she say to talk self had me. Say get some story way you wonder say how this thing take happen. We be say woman get belle, the pikin when they inside the belle self.
I'm more close
so
this show.
You go blame me now say
more close this show.
You go blame me now say I weak as you talk. You don't blame me. You don't go blame me.
I don't blame you.
So, we hear the story. By the time we hear the story, when we come back, we will know how far, what happen, how it take happen.
Maybe the less well up.
We'll hear the story. Yeah, so still on the matter of Tori Wawa, woman get belle, the pikin inside her belle too get belle. See the rhyme. Woman get belle, the pikin inside her belle too get belle. Now so the story be, one woman from Malamulele inside Limpopo go hospital go complain say she dey get stomach pain. Doctors they cause shock to discover say the pikin inside her belle self get belle. Lasedi Shabane, now the woman name and her 8-month belle she carry. Now through ultrasound check, then take find out say the girl pikin inside her belle too get belle self. Okpekete. Dr. Shakbo Milingane, will be pediatric surgeon inside Malamulele Hospital. She holla, I never see this kind of thing for my life before. Oh my God. The wife say, well, my friend, they tell me as I get belle, must see they collect eater from my husband. So my husband see they take the thing, they enter me. I don't know whether it's me that they take, my pikin they take. Now, two of us get the belle. I pray say if I born, this pikin say come out, make it grow, 2 feet born. I don't know whether I go survive. But oh Lord, help us. Honestly spoken.
No, when people go there, sit down, they pray. Say they pray. Ahead, they pray. The woman pray against the fisher, pray everything for the fisher to get grand pikin job. So the pikin go there.
Then be this thing where we will say sometimes for the professor, and even some song we will sing.
Yes.
If the answer won't come, no the part. We'll go enter church, begin shout, everything na double. Everything na double.
All like you can say, you want to na double. People say
double. You understand? Watch, because when they say money, but when they call say wife, now one single. But then the pikin, then they say double.
Yes.
Now, how do you have a double pikin? Because you know say pikin, now twins I want to.
Yes.
You understand? That prayer is different.
You know, make sure say now twins I want to. You just say double.
You understand?
Okay.
Because
seriously, you don't think this thing go?
It's now when God wants to say your prayer, you answer according to
your request.
Your request.
So since you want double, so now double actually.
Double. If I look Shakara,
blessing you this one.
Blessing not be normal human.
Can you imagine? And because song get impact,
yes.
And God answer prayer. Even before Buhari become president, I don't already know say Buhari go become because they run the campaign for Buhari for years inside church. They will allow everybody say Baba, everybody say Baba, say Baba, come win now. You know, if they campaign for you like that for years, everybody say Baba.
How that pikin won't be? That pikin when the woman when get belle, when they inside belle, how that pikin won't be? How the shape won't be?
The one with inside, the way
do it inside, do it inside.
You know, we never can tell. You know.
My God.
Oh God.
So can't things go just happen like this? You know.
So that means it can happen like this. When they born that one, no say that one get belle. Maybe in belle self go don't do you as they born her. So that pikin says she said you don't born immediately. So as the mama they breastfeed the pikin finish, she when she take breast finish, immediately she go attend to her own pikin. So she go cry to come meet the mama first. Breastfeed me, my own pikin they cry. One breastfeed
Oh my God.
God is great, man. God is great.
Yes, we did.
And imagine how the man say, impregnate.
Now those kind of people, then when they
see, if you hear the story, the lady say her friends they tell her say as you get belle, your husband still need to dey top am.
Okay.
So maybe that period of the husband topping it, because but I never know say that kind of thing happen. Say
okay, and I wait on you, and I wait on marry that.
Yes,
Is it like that?
they always tell us, yes, more they see the top oil so that that area no go dry. The grease go there. Okay.
You no go add that to put that, you know.
Really?
You know today.
You have to be married.
Before I mean, to say that man, the reason why that double picket, they maybe now because of position. You know, in those days, missionary, the way Bible take ordain and say, make love to her. But now, people, different angle, go, you understand?
All right, so that means maybe the word don't come to an end. We don't know. So people want quickly.
Now what they come to an end,
people want begin born, make them born finish. So no time for time. So as this one they born, picking already one born. Now I'm gonna lead us to this story. Maybe from this story now you go. I'll get to it. I want to talk so.
Okay.
Eritrea, now one country for inside Africa. Eritrea.
I think I'm familiar with what you want to say.
Okay, brother. So we are going there now.
The story of Eritrea. I even bought a ticket. I wanted to go, but tell us the story.
All right. They say Eritrean law, they force men to marry at least 2 wives or go prison.
I need that law in Nigeria, please.
I beg, before you go need the law, more hear the story, waiting result to that. Eritrean law, where they force men to marry at least 2 women. If you don't agree to marry, you go prison. Make we hear the story, we there for now. Yeah, so this one story on the matter. Eritrean law, they force men to marry at least 2 wives or go prison. Eritrea, will be country for Africa, don't put by force law, say all men must marry more than 1 woman due to shortage of men as a result of the civil war where them fight with Ethiopia. The law talks say every man must marry at least 2 women, and the man will refuse to do so will go life in prison without labor. And the woman will no go allow her husband marry another wife will also go life in prison. Because now only 4 million people be the Eritrea in the 1998-2000 civil war with the fight, and now over 150,000 men die for inside the war, both sides of the people where their people die. So, but Eritrea is a small country, so then they lack men as it be. So please, you must marry more than 1 wife. Now, so they talk honestly spoken.
I see point
and that is it.
I see point with what they talk because that during the war time,
many guys
now they go war.
Yes.
So also the number of men don't reduce. They don't kill them well.
They get reason for that.
They get reason.
The reason why I tell you say I am familiar with this
story. And you will change your accent when you I'm familiar with this story.
The day where them pronounce this judgment, say it will be like that. Eritrea embassy for Nigeria. The place closed now.
Serious.
If you see men. If you see crowd,
Nigerians
won't go straight. That one for you. People gather there, won't see don't just.
He go produce beats. He go produce beats.
And the law say you can say at least. The law say at least 2.
Where they put the law?
So if you can, it just around. Something around. So
the law still on.
So the thing we say, if you are able to marry 5, government will even say, thank you.
They will congratulate you.
You understand? You try.
They'll give you land.
Meaning you try. So I'm still hustling for my visa. Because those of you
go favor so many people for this country. Many people like all these most of these obas when they marry like 6 wives.
But for Nigeria, what do you think? Say do we have more men than women or more women than men?
Nice question. We balance. We balance.
We balance.
You know, say already the law not need in Nigeria. It happen by himself. Some areas, some men then get more than 1 wife, then they marry wife. Some guys they never marry, but like 5 girls don't live for them.
And even people who don't marry, in fact, they are married outside because they get like 7 girlfriends where they love. Not only for Nigeria person, they love only girlfriend.
No, that one, they see that is point of contact. Contact, you call me.
You know, say, get one place for the Book of Wisdom, Bible, where Isaiah, where it says, one time go come. 7 women go tell one man say marry us, who just bear your name.
Yes, that's the time I'm waiting for. That's the time you are waiting for. Lucky child. That is the time I am waiting for. Because
Let them not marry.
Because it's here. It's around the corner.
They wait.
They will walk up to
Shaggy,
me.
you know tell us how
They will say chakara.
Ogbolo wakali chakara na. For these single things. Ogbolo walk away.
When recently?
The guy walk away. He's still there. They wait for 7 women. Walk away.
Well. That one their own story. What is it they listen? Listen, waiting.
Listen, listen
what?
Tell us what you want to tell us. What I believe is still what I believe.
Now just this week now, Ogbolo propose. Just this week, Wednesday, I think.
You never tell me the message. I never tell me.
Very beautiful girl. They wait for 7
Where will be Ogbolo? Where go see day?
One of people down by the side, the story went over war again. Story we say yes. All those people when they go temper with NEPA things. I call her NEPA or PC and things.
The Monday.
All those people. Monday. Electric shock woman. When I go the temper with electrical things, make we hear the full story. I beg.
Yes, so now Tori Wawa with the always a yarn. Electric don't shock one man die as in they try to thief electric cables. Oh, falekete. One man will go try power inside power supply installation. Don't see say power pass power. Electric shock the man die as they try to thief electric wire. Now inside Kaduna the thief shell and a news agency of Nigeria NAN report this matter. So if you thief power, power will thief you. Honestly spoken.
If you thief power will hold you. You don't say when they shock you. They hold you. Come on for that. Now be the story of Monday where you know the story of Monday. Monday, now be neighbor. So talk of Monday where Bob talk that year. Where we say flies cut. Now he did the call. Monday like say.
Two bottles of beer.
Exactly. Person. You won't go, you go connect light by yourself.
Some people get mind.
This one and even thief, they go thief cable.
Some people get mind. Even not even thief, not talk of thief self. So we just go NEPA. You don't my guy, you don't go transformer see where spark. Go spark, but like say they see blue.
Yeah. And the sound be like wave.
But yeah,
they say people get afraid.
Like 10 minutes now they see anything.
And somebody go there, they go park.
You get one club for Ijesha. Opposite the club, transformer day for nights. One guy carry babe, enter the transformer, the cable babe for enter the transformer. Don't be joke. They say
he need energy.
He need energy. Maybe connect energy there. So they wake up in the morning.
Self even get mind pass. Follow a mental transformer.
And the transformer a life transformer.
But maybe the guy don't know say a transformer.
I no go know. I go see transformer. I no go know. You know say transformer they get one small block fence.
You know say Shagara, you know say that action in network they strong like transformer network. So that go pay.
You say they try when in the village.
But you know say get when that cable go reach where we say. The go be like say the power supply the country body. You know say if those two energy can't jam with the light, real light.
All right. It depends us anytime we don't sit down like this. Time go to do it consign now. So it consign time now. Time not they tell us say it don't near inside. So as it be now, we go one respect time so that time will allow us come back again.
So all our fans, you know some of our fans they go they miss us now. But please, in whatever you are doing, whether you watch football, you do not kill yourself for anything. Life like jeje. Especially people where they follow football. People where they follow football, they will come now because they say I must put my money here, I must put my money here. It's very wrong. Even as I went myself last week, the match where we say Barcelona and Arsenal play. He buy ticket of bets. It carry back out to be straight win. Yes, now put out. Now when they hang in jacket, the paper for come out. He say he take back a straight win. Say back, he win money now. Over 2.5. He win money. So you won't go kill yourself. Make you know say person
kill yourself.
Go.
All right. Make it follow us for Twitter at IDRed and.
I the red Facebook, you know.
I the red everywhere. I the red.
For YouTube and the rest. Yes. All right, we love on now. We remain on the show next week. Honestly spoken.
if you know say just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.